Hey YouTube, so here's my most recently assembled red laser. This is a very dangerous red laser device that is completely portable and rechargeable using the stock lithium cell here. It has the ability to not only cut but also poke holes through thin black plastic. So let's go over the assembly process here and get to testing. Also, this laser diode was purchased cheaply from deep within the heart of China, and due to its properties it is classified as a class 3B laser. So eye safety equipment is essential for operating these type of laser technologies. As for the assembly, it's really quite simple. I am reusing a lithium cell rated for 3.7 volts at 500 milliamps as the power source. And I am also using a protection board to ensure that the lithium cell does not overheat or over discharge in any particular fashion. As for the laser module, I'm reusing a brass housing here, and I've fitted and secured the laser diode here at the aperture head, and this is great for heat sinking as well. As for the heatsink below that, I have an LM317T semiconductor screwed in there with silicone, and I also have a current limiting resistor here rated for 33k ohms of resistance at 2 watts, and a bunch of wiring to back that all up. So to turn on the device, all you have to do is take this one alligator clip here and connect this to the driver here. As you can see, we have a brilliant red 660 to 650 nanometer wavelength. This laser doesn't have the best distance, but that's only because the focal point has been focused down to penetrate certain materials. Now we can poke some holes and cut through some thin black plastic. Pretty much with ease there. Now we'll slowly cut through the tape. Here's the laser with the lights off and scattering effects. You can see the focal point is right around here. So that pretty much sums up this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel.